Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you ever wanted to start making money with your Facebook fan page, I mean, if you're creating a Facebook fan page, if you're building a Facebook fan page and you're starting to get lots and lots of traffic and you want to start monetizing it, why not? I mean, Facebook, they're making a ton of money with all these ads. So why not you take your Facebook fan page and why not monetize it? So in this video, I'm going to show you 6 different simple ways that you can monetize your Facebook fan page. You can use all 6, you can use 1, you can use 2, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you want to really learn how to get some passive income coming in and you want to get $300 or $400 per day, click on the link in the description. I'm going to show you my #1 recommended opportunity right now, how you can really scale your online profits up to start to get $200 or $300 per day with passive income. So just click on the link in the description. Now, what I like to do though is I like to come out to you every day with a new video with all kinds of strategies, how you can work from home, earn money at home, how you can make money, how you can build a business, all of these ideas I come out to you on a daily basis. And so make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Also hit that bell. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. All right, so let's jump right into it. So here's my fan page right here, okay? And this is a fan page that I'm building up and I like to monetize it just as much as anybody else. I mean, why spend all the time to build up your fan page when you could, monetize it? All right, so this is going to be how to make money on your Facebook fan page. So 6 simple ways to do this. Again, you can use all 6. You can use 1, you can use 2, 3, whatever you want to do. But these are going to be 6 simple ways that I found that really work the best. So first of all, if you haven't had a fan page yet, log into Facebook. It's free. You can just go over here to the right-hand side. You click on, it says create a page right here. So you click on create a page and then you just click on business and you click on getting started. Very simple, very easy. I use my name for my Facebook. You can see my name right here. I like to use my name just because I'm branding myself. If you're building a business online, you can use a business name. I like to use a name just because people, they tend to, join people that they like and trust. And if it's business, if it's a corporation, it might turn off some people. So that's just my suggestion. You can do whatever you want with your fan page. Either way you do it, you're gonna have success with it. So don't stress over it. Just get something up and get something running quickly. That way you can start making money with your fan page. So let's start off with the first one. We're gonna be promoting software. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, well, software out there. There's a lot of good software out there. And there's a lot of great software that people help other people have success. And one of the best places to do this is going to be at JVZoo. Now, if you go to jvzoo.com and you create an account, it's free. You just log into your account. And when you get into your account, then you're going to click on, you can go to product library. But what I like to do is go to top sellers. Okay, so I go to top sellers and this list pops up right here. And you're going to see the top sellers for the day, top sellers from yesterday. And so this is, I'll look at an example here. WordPress Social Content Unlimited Site License. All right, I'm going to click on this and show you this. Okay, so this is a website here that is going to be, so this is one-click WordPress plugin that can help you make 300% more income from your website in 2018. Great website. It's a plugin. Okay, so plugin for WordPress. So it's a very simple software that somebody would install to their computer, and you can, they can obviously make more money. Now, the cool thing is you can become an affiliate and you can promote this offer. So if I look at this, let's look at the affiliate details here. So the price is going to be $24.95 and you get 50% of that. So you basically get half of that $24.95 on the initial sale. And what I like about JVZoo is the money is deposited right into your PayPal account. So you don't even have to worry about it. You start making money instantly right away. So all you have to do is you just come in here and you click on request affiliate approval. You just do that, and then they'll approve your account, and they'll give you a special link, and you take that link and you can promote it onto your Facebook fan page. Okay, so JVZoo is going to be the first one. That's going to be promoting software. So the next one is going to be promote your own course. Now you're probably thinking, well, what kind of course? Like a digital product course, training on how to do things. And I promise you, there's stuff out there that you know how to do that other people don't know how, that you could teach on. I mean, even let's just say, for instance, creating a Facebook fan page, right? If you create it and you go through the steps, you could turn around and create a course on that. And what you do is you can go to a place like Udemy, U-D-E-M-Y, okay, Udemy. And Udemy is where you can you create videos and you upload them right to Udemy, and they put it right in their marketplace. People can buy the course. They will spend the money on Udemy, and Udemy will send you the money at the end of the month for all the people that buy into your courses. Okay, it's a very simple, very easy way. There's no software. You don't have to learn anything. All you have to do is just spend the time to teach people how to do stuff using video. You could do you can do slide shares. You don't even have to get yourself in front of the camera. You can just show people how to do it using programs like Camtasia or ScreenFlow to actually show your screen. Like right here on what you're looking at right here, I use ScreenFlow. Okay, so ScreenFlow is what I use to capture this screen. All right, so next one is going to be selling a physical product. So t-shirts are really the hottest way to sell a physical product. And t-shirt at Teespring is the easiest and the most straightforward way you could come up with, okay? You actually can go in there and you can just create a simple design. You put it up on a t-shirt, and then they'll give you a special link that goes right into that t-shirt. They will print the t-shirt, they will ship the t-shirt, and they will send you the money. It's the easiest thing in the entire world. So you could take a t-shirt, put it onto your Facebook fan page, and you show an image of that t-shirt, put a link to your t-shirt, and then Teespring will take care of everything. They will print out the shirt, they will ship it to the person that buys it, and you get to collect the money. Okay, so it's one of the easiest. T-shirts are one of the easiest ways to monetize your Facebook fan page. Okay, so the next one is going to be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is similar to what we're doing here at JVZoo. You're just promoting a product, and you're going to make a percentage on that. But with affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates is going to be one of the really, really good ways. Now, depending on what you have on your fan page, you could promote anything inside of the marketplace of Amazon. So let's say your Facebook fan page is all about digital cameras. Okay, let's just say the whole thing is about digital cameras. You love digital cameras and you just love them. You can promote digital cameras on the Amazon marketplace. You'll have a special link through Amazon Associates. When somebody clicks on that, they go to Amazon Associates, you can earn up to 10% of the sales price of a camera or anything like that you promote onto Amazon. Okay, so Amazon Associates is a great way to monetize your Facebook fan page. So the next one is going to be promote subscription services. So what are subscription services? They are a monthly fee, and it's great money that comes in every month. So an example of a subscription service is going to be HostGator. Okay, HostGator will actually pay you up to $125 per qualified sign up. And what they'll do is every month that somebody uses hosting, they will send you a check. So everybody out there, they want a WordPress website, they want a business site. I mean, how many businesses out there that you could go and contact and help them get set up with their website? HostGator would be a great place to host their website, and you could get a percentage on their monthly fee. So if they're paying, let's say they're paying $50 a month for their hosting, you could get a percentage of that every month, and HostGator will just send you a check every month coming into your account. Okay, so if you create a fan page and it's all about marketing and things like that, people definitely are going to want to have HostGator for their hosting. Okay, so HostGator, you just go there and you click on affiliates up here in the right-hand corner, and then you can sign up and you can earn up to $125 per qualified sign up, which is pretty awesome. And the last one is going to be offering your services. So your services can be anything that you could do online. It could be creating graphics. It could be setting up a website. It could be taking phone calls. I mean, you name it, you could actually have your services out there and you could sell them. And the best way to do that is go to Fiverr.com, and then you create what is called a gig. That gig will be on the marketplace, and now you can offer your services. I mean, let's just when I come to Fiverr.com, you'll see right here, it says, I will do beautiful 3D e-cover or an ebook. Okay, lots of people out there have ebooks. They need a great cover for it. This person is going to create a great looking ebook. Same thing here. They're going to create some bundles of products here. This one right here, I will design an eye-catching ebook, Kindle book with it. Okay, so this is the same thing. So a lot of these people have services on here. You could put your service here, and you could then make money and monetize your Facebook fan page. So there you go. That's 6. That's 6 ways to monetize your fan page. If you want to get some information on how to get passive income coming into and want to get my #1 recommended opportunity right now, click on the link in the description below. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.